An incident management system is a combination of equipment, personnel, procedures, and communications that work together in an emergency to react, understand, and respond. Each of the four factors is necessary in order for an incident management system to be effective. So, I have chosen the D4H Incident Management. It is a real-time incident management software that enables the coordination of an effective response to any situation. Easily create a common operating picture, communicate objects, and collaborate on a resolution using forms, tasks, logs, maps, and status boards. There are only three steps to take for the D4H. The first one is launch incidents, which is instantly launch a pre-planned response to begin collaborating. Publish situations, report, assign roles, and communicate your incident to response personnel and stakeholders. The second one is respond effectively. Use real-time status boards, forms, and GIS mapping to manage and understand the impact of your situation. Assign tasks, coordinate resources, and record your actions in the activity log. And the third one is document accurately. Automatically produce and download audit-ready documentation at the conclusion of the incident. Each piece of information you gather is time-stamped and versioned. Your common operating picture. The real-time maps, forms, activity logs, and checklists will give your response a common operating picture. Everyone will be on the same page no matter their location. There is situational awareness. It brings the reality of your incident to life with our shareable situation reports. Know the pre-plan. Build your own plays to give your personnel a head start and launching an incident. Make decision faster. A clear common operating picture translates into faster, more efficient response. D4H Incident Management has a feature which is the Situation Report. It communicates the incident briefing clearly to your entire team by filing in and customizing a prominent site rep with your current objectives. It has status boards. Build your own colorful status boards for visually track information for any possible scenario. Figure rules, workflows, and forms. It also have tasks and checklists. Manage actions from creation through to completion. Design task workflows, forms, and checklists to assign and delegate out the actions to the teams and personnels. It has maps. Our built-in interactive GIS mapping offers you SVR GIS base layers with satellite imagery, street maps, geocoding, clustered visualizations, annotations, and image overlays. It has event log. A real-time chronological log will automatically timestamp, tag, source, and audit your information. Quickly access, search, and filter using our unique Follow Me logging. It has forms and paperwork. Use our forms builder to design and distribute the forms you need to be completed during an incident, including ICS forms. It has document library. Store and share your incident response documentation within the platform to ensure all responders have the most recent to-date information. It has the roles. The role-based logic allows you to build teams of roles and rep positions. Selecting personnel for a role will assign them all tasks assigned to that role. It has organization charts. Draw your organization charts with our visual builder. Create a unity of command and see your organization chart update in real time as you assign roles. It has status levels. Define incident status levels and colors, allowing users to select from your list to prominently display the current status to all users. It has personnel. Automatically build out a list of all personnel who sign in to join your incident or manually document a check-in process for others. It has dashboard to visualize your entire incident on a dashboard. with previews of maps, auto-scrolling log, key performance indicators, metrics, and task progress. It has data retrieval. Search. All timestamped log entries and form field data is keyword searchable throughout the incident, showing you who created it, their role at the time, and when the information was first known. Tags. Our unique follow me logging uses tags and filing system for all posts. Posts will be automatically tagged where possible and relevant logs posts to each entity shown beside it. Real-time filters. Set up a keyword or tag search filter that will update matching content in real time, letting you filter your scrolling log to only show the most relevant information to you. Audit trail. All information collected is assigned a source, timestamp, and version history. All these data snapshots and all uploaded attachments may be exported as a chronological audit trail once the incident was resolved. Complete export. At the end of the incident, we will package up a downloadable zip file with PDF copies of all forms, attachments, images, documents, status boards, and your logs. It has data sharing. Printable PDF. All pages from status boards through to forms may be downloaded as printable PDF files for hard copy distribution. All pages are branded with your organization logo and header. Spreadsheet exports. Your status boards are exportable to a CSV file, which can be opened in your choice of spreadsheet software or imported into other systems. Share by email. Everything may be shared externally by pressing share by email at any time. The selected content is packaged up and delivered to your selected recipient by our system. Share by link. All forms may be made shareable through the generation of a public link. This secret link can be distributed externally to allow other agencies access real-time updates to the selected content. Snapshots. When completing an operational period, you may snapshot your forms to make a copy of them for that period. They continue editing from where you left off without restarting forms from scratch. Alerting. There is mentions. Use the @ symbol to mention other roles, teams, and personnel by name when typing log entries. Mentioned personnel will receive a notification. Browser notifications. The platform will send in browser pop-up notifications if you are assigned the task mentioned in a log post or designated a new role while online. Email notifications. If offline, you will receive email notifications for any assignments, mentions, or new incidents. Click through to open the task in a web browser. Mobile notifications. Once installed, our mobile app will send push notifications to your packet when you are added to an incident, assigned a task, or mentioned in a log. Mass notifications. Initiates messages from your mass notifications software directly from within D4H Incident Management. Your messages will be visible within the channel and logged as timestamp entries requires mass notification gateway. Administrators. Granular permissions. Each of your users is given their own unique username and password, which they will use to access the system. Granular permission allow you to control exactly what each user can do and see. Import data. While any file type may be uploaded, the system will parse spreadsheets, images, JSON, GPS exchange format, keyhole markup language, and shapefile archive. Scenario designer. Pre-design a play for any scenario your team could face. Automate the creation of the required checklists, references, documents, forms, and organization charts for each scenario. Form builder. Our admin area features a custom form builder so you can design any form you wish. Replicate your exact paperwork to our collaborative environment. Collections. Store your reusable data content status boards, templates, and documents in our collections. Collections are available for import into any channel throughout the incident. Localization. Localize all forms, paperwork, status boards, and task lists to your own requirements. The system can adapt to most worldwide incident response frameworks. Custom branding. Custom brand your environment with logos and naming conventions. Brand choices will display on all printouts and the navigation bar for all users and shared links. Platform. Real-time cloud, our platform is delivered as a hosted service. Your users need to just sign in using any web browser or our mobile app from anywhere in the world to begin managing an incident. Multi-user. Our collaborative environment is truly multi-user. All paperwork, forms, and boards can be edited at the same time by any permissioned user. Updates from other users are shown in a real time as they work. Browser-based. The minimum requirements for use is an internet connection and a modern web browser. No download or install is required. Offline mode. This software is designed to provide continuity if your internet connection is intermittent. The software will drop to single user mode, queue your inputs, and sync on reconnection. Smartphone app. Our companion smartphone app lets you manage incidents from your mobile device. Our app is available for iOS and Android and includes push notifications for alerts. Simple user interface. Our entire success is centered on the usability of our platform. Incident management teams need to be able to pick up our software and it feel instantly familiar. It needs to be easier to use than their pen. Compatibility. North American Incident Command System compatible with the National Incident Management System ICS forms used within the United States and Canada. Australasian Inter-Service Incident Management Systems management by objective using the Australian Inter-Service Incident Management System. New Zealand Coordinated Incident Management System perform New Zealand Coordinated Incident Management System structured responses with the relationships between the respective CIMS functions. Product integrations. D4H Incident Reporting automatically generate insightful incident reports with charts, visualizations, and statistics. D4H Personnel and Training, a highly proactive system to easily manage the administration of personnel, qualifications, trainings, attendance, and availability. Services of D4H. It is 24/7 availability. We provide our software as a cloud service available 24/7. Our engineers take care of the hosting, maintenance, and upgrades for you. Help Desk. Our dedicated help desk team is always on hand to help. Browse our knowledge base, email our help desk, or book an one-on-one webinar. Implementation Manager. We will include an implementation manager to tailor the project milestones and timelines in accordance with your own project goals, include weekly one-on-one calls. Data encryptions. Our security-first policy ensures data is always encrypted, password protected, and only accessible to authorized users. Automatic backups. Customer data is automatically mirrored across multiple availability zones with point-in-time recovery of our databases. Data import. Your implementation manager can import datasets from your spreadsheets to get you started. So that's all the functions and features of my chosen incident management response system.